backyard's kitchen. Gonna do some cooking. Thought I might do some frozen chicken breasts in the PKP. So show you how easy that is and how quick they actually cook. And I'm going to be doing some pasta with that and a cheese and bacon sauce. So shredded chicken, bit of pasta, bit of sauce. Job's a good one. So should we get cracking? Welcome back, by the way. It's nice to see you. So without further ado, and me banging on any longer than I should be, like I always do, we'll get cracking. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video. See you in a bit. Hi guys, this isn't going to be an epic movie today. I just wanted to show you how to cook some frozen chicken breasts in a PKP. Now boil your kettle. Hang on, let me turn the telly down. Right, we're back. Turn the telly down so I can concentrate. And obviously avoid any copyright issues and such like. Anyone who knows me knows I'm a massive fan of Joseph stuff. Here we have the Lotus steamer basket that I use in my pressure cooker there. Chicken breasts there, and a PKP pot. Now boil your water. Boil your water because we're going to fill the pot up with that. And a bit later on we'll be using that stock in effect, which will be in there for something else. Because I've decided to batch cook today, I'm going to be doing chicken breasts in some pasta twists with some cheese and bacon sauce. And I'm going to pop that up for my son because he's into his weight training and all the rest of it, so I've got to be careful here because I'm using one hand. So fill up your pot with all the water, and that's come to, well, just above the minimum line there. Well, a notch above the minimum line. Now, try and do this with one hand for God's sake. Right, now it's in the pot. Okay, you take the chicken breasts and you pop them in the steaming basket like that. And then you transfer the whole thing to the PKP. Alright? Now, you pop your lid on, you line the V up with this V, and you lock the lid. Now, you'll see all the different functions there. We want that one, meat. Then we take the time right up to 55 minutes. Then we just let it do its thing. Actually, you don't. You close the valve on the top. Make sure it's closed for when you're pressure cooking. You only leave that open if you're baking in it, or you're keeping something warm with the lid off. It'll start to build pressure now. There you go, you see the zeros. And you let that do its thing now, you just leave it alone. And in 55 minutes time, we'll come back and we'll take it from there. See you in a bit. Okay, so I just had to deal with the situation. This pressure valve dropped, but there was still some hissing. Now if that happens, it's this. Get yourself a silicone spatula like this one, and just hold it down on it until the hissing stops. That means it's fully sealed now. That's my dog, just ignore my dog. I've got one coughing and I've got one moaning. I've got two dogs, so it's chaos here at the minute. So yeah, if that happens to you, don't panic. A lot of people panic. Just get yourself a spatula and push it down. You can hear it, I think, slightly. Can you hear that? So to stop it, we just want to press down on it. Now this is going to end up in tears, isn't it? I can see it. Right, it's still hissing. We don't want any hissing, so oh God. The situation, the sitch is now under control and we're back on track. So I'll be back in a bit when we take the lid off. See you in a bit. Okay, so now the chicken breasts are cooked. It's time to transfer those into the bowl and just let them rest there for a bit. Now this stock here, we're going to add some more water to it, because now we're going to be cooking the pasta. Now I'm using this pasta from Aldi's. Just pour that in there. I'm also going to be using some noodles. I'll throw them in there as well. And obviously the little sauce powder sachet that comes with it. And now we're going to add one of these stock pots, chicken stock pots, to it. We've replaced the lid. Now we come down to our rice function. 9 minutes. And then we'll leave it to do its thing. It's building the pressure again. Make sure the valve's closed as standard. And I'll see you back in a bit. Now I've shredded the chicken breasts with the aforementioned silicone spatula. Shred that chicken so it goes a little bit further, obviously, in each meal that you're preparing. And now I'm going to add some condiments, some salt and pepper. Job done. Press the cancel button. Now we've got to let the pressure release manually. So here I am with my trusty spatula again, and we need to release that pressure off the pasta. Okay, all that pressure's been released. We can now remove the lid. Take care of the water spillage off the lid there, look. These lids do retain quite a bit of the steam and moisture. So now let's have a look at our pasta. There's the noodles there. Pasta's cooked beautifully. Now we're going to strain it off. I'll strain that off and I'll meet you back here in a minute. Now we have the chicken all cooked and seasoned, ready to be mixed with the pasta and the noodles. And we're going to be using some pasta bake, cheese and bacon sauce. That's from Aldi's and I think it was about 89 pence. I'll probably be using 2. Okay guys, right, I'm going to add some frozen peas into that. 1, it adds a bit of colour, and 2, well, they taste nice. So just throw a couple of handfuls into your cooked pasta, because the heat off that will still cook them through. And if you're freezing these dishes, then it'll just, the peas will just cook in the microwave when you're heating one up, so makes no odds. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, just add a couple of handfuls of peas in with the pasta while it's hot, and they'll naturally defrost in there anyway. Please ignore that stupid dog. Okay, we're about done here. So I want to mix that chicken in really well with the pasta, and get some potted up. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe, obviously, if you enjoyed it. I enjoy making these things, so it's no hardship, do you know what I mean? But this is serious food for weight gain as well, and you've got your proteins and your carbs and whatnot. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.